What's up, guys? I hope everybody's having an awesome day. I hope everyone's doing well as well. I wanted to go ahead and do an unboxing today. I had received a package from my brother-in-law and my sister. So thank you guys very, very much. And we'll go ahead and get started right after this. Alright guys, if you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button. Also, if you like, go ahead and subscribe. And if you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. Hope everyone has an awesome day. Take care.